Hi, long time no see. I'm just gonna warn you right now, this video is gonna be a mess. I have training for work in 2 hours where they're gonna teach us to walk on stilts and stuff. I need to leave in 2 hours, do my makeup and film 2 wig reviews and then get ready to leave. Okay, so, and I also need to have my breakfast, so. Bad day to get up late. I think I'm gonna try and do my makeup as quick as possible. I'm also still in the process of moving house. I don't know when you're gonna see this video because I have a few filmed and I need to edit them. So I've been kind of building up like a backlog for reasons. So I don't know when this is gonna come out, but I'm filming this one basically just as I've moved. I don't know what kind of makeup I'm gonna do today either. Nothing too complicated and crazy. So I've primed, so now I'm gonna start with just concealer. I don't even have a mirror. Like, I can't find my foundation. I can find this one, which is way too dark on its own, and I don't fancy looking like that today. It is 10 to 2 right now, and I need to be in work at 4. Luckily, I've moved to town, and I live very close. Makeup can sometimes take me like an hour and a half, especially if this isn't going to be like crazy contoured like drag makeup or whatever. It's because the 2 wigs I've got to review, one is like a silver one, and one is a half black, half white one. Please check out those videos. Well, I feel like I need to have good makeup to be able to pull those off. And I guess I'm just going to keep this face on when I go to work, because I don't like walking around with no makeup on at all, because then I look a bit, like, horrible. I don't know if you can tell, I've got pink in my eyebrows. I painted myself pink. Today's Monday, I painted myself pink on Friday? Yeah, Friday. This isn't from the paint, though. This is from the purple pencil that I used to overdo my eyebrows on my lips, because there was no foundation as a barrier. The pencil just went straight to my skin and it stained my eyebrows, and it also stained around my lip. The worst thing for me was just having to wash my hair that much, because I think I just washed my hair before work. And then obviously I got back covered in pink paint, so I was like, well, I need to wash my hair again. I don't like washing my hair that much. Okay, so that's basic base done. Now for some highlighting. I'm going to turn up and they're going to be like, why have you come in drag, you extra bitch? So my next shift is on Thursday, and that's going to be Ladies' Day, so there's a good time frame for when I'm filming this video, and when you're seeing it. I have no idea when that'll be, because the races are held here in Liverpool, so, you know, I don't really support that whole thing. I'm surprised that we do today, but Ladies' Day is just a fun excuse to wear big hats, so I'm going to try and make a massive white hat and serve a look. Should I contour? I don't really feel like contouring, but I guess I will a bit. Kind of rushed, light contour. Well, lighter than normal. Try and fix this nose contour, but without spending too much time on it. Okay, so my white currently has a lot of pink on it from when I painted myself pink, and I don't really care to remove it, so I'm just going to put that on my cheek and blend it out, and maybe the pink will work as a kind of blush. And my eyebrows, just to kind of give them a bit of lift. Now it's time for eyes or powder. What do I want to do first? Oh, my skin is so moisturized. I think I'll do eyebrows and stuff now, because I suppose I'm trying to do like quicker makeup right now anyway. I'm doing it in the cream stage, which means I can clean up any mistakes. But right now I'm just smudging around all of the makeup that's in my eyebrows, trying to get that out. Now for some eyes. What I'm going to do is first going to draw a crease on with this brown pencil. Just literally go straight in with drawing the crease on. Why not? The club I work at is going in a more kind of club kiddie direction now. More like wild and stuff. So you can expect to see a lot more interesting, wild and artistic looks from me when I film those. I feel like I'm not going to be doing this that often now, but I'll still do it in my own time, because I know that's what people want to see. Okay, and then I'm going to take a purple colour, I'm going to take Jilted from Urban Decay, blend out that brown line with that. Looks quite nice, actually. I guess we're going to do purpley pink eyes today, because it's been a while since I've done just a classic purpley pink eye. This is so pigmented, I want it to blend, but it just keeps spreading because it's pretty good. I like these lids though, these look nice. I don't know what colour to do on my actual lid. I want to say like a yellow or something, but I can't really be bothered doing something all creative right now. And then I'll take that pink and just go underneath my eyes as well while we're here. Very classic, quintessential, super easy eye for me. I'm going to take a fluffier brush and blend everything even more. Ooh. Maybe I should leave my eyelids like white. I don't do that often. What I am going to do is I'm going to take this thing. It's a really metallic yellow gold thing. It's amazing. God, it spreads so far. I am going to just take a little bit of that on my brush. It's like a magnetic eyeshadow. Where am I going to take that? I guess I'm just going to take that in the middle of my lid. Jesus, look at that though. A little goes a long way. Okay, now I like this on my lid. In with the white though and clean up under my eyebrows, because I think it makes me look angry and my eyeshadow goes straight up to my eyebrow and there's no like gap to suggest like a lifted brow. I always get these lines on my forehead now. I think it's just because while it's in the cream stage, so I should definitely stop to set this face. Clean up around the eyeshadow, because it's one of the benefits of being in this cream stage and not setting everything yet. I can just clean it up with liquid cream. I just added a bit of white on the lid just to emphasize. You know, considering I'm in a rush, I'm doing all this intricate, stupid stuff. I don't think I'm going to do lashes today because I actually can't be bothered doing that. 2:10. Okay. And you leave in an hour and a half. That's not bad. We're on half an hour filming so far. Okay. Powder. I just realised I'm wearing black while doing all this powder stuff. Not a bright idea. Why does this look green on the bottom half of my face? Ugh. Guess I'm gonna have to do some contouring to just, I don't know, make everything better. But some nice quick contouring, so I'm just gonna take a lot of this and just put it in my areas. Even though I look very like standard paint by numbers drag baby queen cookie cutter makeup right now, I kind of like it. I look pretty. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit on my face while I do my eyeliner. Start with a pen, zoom in, so you don't miss out on all the action. Though I'm going to be looking down at my mirror, so you're probably going to anyway. Forgot about my breakfast and now it's gone soggy. Well, this is not black at all. Are these even? I think they're even. This one just hasn't been coloured in as much. So I'm going to go in with an actual black now. Don't you hate it when you think something's black and then something comes along that's even blacker and you're like, wait, now I need to redo all my blacks because everything I've done now just looks grey. Okay, so there's been some smudges, but for the most part I think it's okay. And then I'm going to do the first colour of my lips. I'm going to use this pencil in Papaya Punch. It's a lovely little peach colour, and then I'm going to fill it in with this by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Cocoa K. Brands. Okay, that's all the nice peach stuff done. Don't know if it'll work, but it might work. And then I like to always put this stuff in the middle of my lips because it's just gorgeous. And now I'll go back in with an eyeshadow brush and try and do something to this messy black on the eyes. I think it's started to dry. Yeah, all of the eyeliner that's on like the inside of the lid and the crease, I think I'm free to blend that and it won't ruin the graphicness of my eyeliner. I don't think. Let's see. I'm ruining anything that was white and yellow though. This looks a lot like one of the tutorials I did when I was getting ready for the opening of Out, and it was like I can't remember what I called it. It was like gorgeous, beautiful drag queen makeup or something. Just darkening the ends of my eyebrows with a brown. I think this will do for some makeup. Should I even bother with mascara? I kind of don't want to. Yeah, I'm actually into blush these days, a really tiny bit. Right now I'm going to use this one by Revolution called Make Love Instead. It's just like a very, very faint pink, peachy blush, and I just put it all around the cheek area. So I'll take my standard highlighter, just to good old-fashioned vivid lights, vivid baked highlighter, peach lights, whatever. Okay, and then I'm going to take this one. It's one by Sleek, and I just took it out of a palette, so I actually don't know which one it is. And I'm going to put that just in the very, very high areas. And it actually somehow makes the highlighter look more vibrant and stuff when you do focus it in just one area like that. If you put it all over here, it actually wouldn't have as much of an effect. Which is kind of fascinating to me, how less really is more. An obligatory bit of white under the eyes. And I might take this felt tip and draw some lower eyelashes on, because you know I love to do that. Alright, so how long is that? It's been 53 minutes, it is now 2:30, and I need to leave in an hour. So I'm going to spend this hour filming 2 wig reviews, but in the meantime I hope you enjoyed this quick, rushed, quintessential, basic drag makeup that should be a one-size-fits-all, applicable for most and any situations. And I'm probably going to change my lips after the first review to maybe a darker colour. I don't know. You'll know though because you'll be able to see it in the videos. There is a good chance I'm going to be putting the wig reviews up before this video, which means you can check them out right now if you haven't already seen them. They'll be in the sidebar, side thing, the recommendations, which is either there or there. And they'll also be at the end of the video, they'll be here, and they'll also be in the description down there. And it might even be in an information card up there. That's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's been useful. Please check out the other videos I'm about to film and also give me ideas for future videos to film because summer's coming and I'm going to have a lot of free time and I intend to film and put out a lot of videos for all of you. So give me any and all ideas that you have and I'll make it happen. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Mwah.